Hello guys, it's K to the E to the M to the C to the SOT. Okay guys, I messed up. Let me sing it again. It's K to the E to the N to the C to the I to the A. Okay guys, you already know it's a girl, Kencia Splendor, aka Kiki. Okay, so tout moun la koneke mwen rele Kencia Splendor, aka Kiki. Okay, so today I came up with a new video, okay, and I hope you guys love it and enjoy it. Okay. So jodi a bin avec yon nouvo video et m'souhaite ki nou tout la renmen et bon love la. Okay. So guys, I'm kind of gonna do two language. Okay, I'm kind of gonna speak two different language. Try to make everyone in here comfortable so they can understand. So guys, ma pe essayer parler deux langues différentes so pour tout moun qui sou page moi ka comprendre moun, okay? So the two different language I'm going to speak in is Creole and English. So deux différentes langues que m'a parler c'est Creole avec anglais. So guys, whatever I say in English, if I say it in the other language you guys don't understand it, just know I'm translating. Okay? Okay guys. So jodi a, today I have a new video, okay? So jodi I've been going a lot video, okay? It's part 2. Okay? I know you guys been waiting for it. And y'all been asking me. So it's part 2 Bikini. Okay? So jodi a bin avec un nouveau video qui c'est part 2 Bikini que pral mette. Ok, m'te fait part 1, so nou te yon ti jan supporte m'bat vraiment satisfait, but m'pren jan ya, okay? So guys, I did a part 1 Bikini already. Some of you guys did show me love. I'm not really satisfied with it, but you know, I'll take it. But hopefully, part 2, you guys give me the love that I want, that I'm looking for. Okay? So, I'm taking a part 2 Bikini, nou bam love, ki mwen vle a ki mwen chache. Okay, guys? So, let's go ahead and start with the video. But first, I want to thank everybody that subscribed to my YouTube channel and that gave me love and that shared my like and that continue to give me love, okay? So, avant de commencer la vidéo, je vais tout le monde merci à tout le monde qui est abonné ensemble avec cette chaîne et qui bon love, ok? Et qui continue à partager cette link là pour moi, qui bon support. Okay, guys? So, let's go, let's roll. Okay guys, so this is the first Bikini, okay? I'm not really gonna show you guys much. Okay, this is the first Bikini. I got it from SHEIN, okay? It's a little bit loose because I didn't really tie it up at the back of my neck, so it's kind of loose. I didn't, because you know I'm doing this by myself, so it's loose. So guys, ça c'est premier Bikini que moi mesire, moi acheté dans SHEIN. On connaît un peu là nous ayisyen nous contacte les SHEIN nan. So li yo ti jan pas serré parce que m'pa vraiment taché li en pile pas derrière because vous connaissez qu'elle pas attaché serré parce que c'est moi qui a fait. So guys, this is the back. Ça c'est pas derrière, okay? This is the back. This is the front. Ça c'est devant. Okay guys. So ça c'est pour mes bikini qui vont mesurer. So on connaît pas ça dans premier vidéo a. So m'souhaite que nous choisir dans tout bikini qui mesure qui est-ce qui plus belle avec, qu'est-ce qui plus à avec. So I know I didn't say this in the first video. Hopefully you guys pick and choose which bikini that matches me, that blows me up, that look nice on me, okay? So guys, I know I need diet. I know the belly gotta go, but don't worry. It's gonna go soon. Okay? Guys, I'm gonna get busy in the gym. But pas worry. Non, j'ai ça. So guys, this okay guys, this is the second bikini. Okay? Ça c'est deuxième bikini, hein? Okay? Woo! They say fat girls can't wear two-piece. Well, guess what? I'm fucking wearing two-piece. Hang on, let me stop. Excuse my language. So, il y a des différents bacs à mettre deux bikini qui l'ont soutien. On va montrer le jodi à qui est capable. Qui, but not the gros, qui est petit. Okay? So, let me stop. So, yes, this is the second bikini. Ça, c'est le deuxième, non? Okay, bon, viewers. Let me turn. You guys see it? My ass is really not that fat. Small. But I'm busy. Let me stop. But yes, that's the deuxième bikini, guys. Okay? So, tout bikini ou an mesye ou m'achete on SHEIN. Okay? You buy from a pill cob. Okay? So, all the bikini you guys see me try on is from SHEIN. I love their bikini. So, I think all of them is like under $20. Okay? It's not much. I'm going to one peel back with a video là. You buy a pill. Okay? So, come on, what's I? So, guys, this is the third one. Okay? This is like a one piece. At the back, look, you see? It's, you could tie it, make like different style, but I did it like that because I don't know. So, pas vraiment serré. So, pas d'aller le code là long, il vraiment long. Ou ka marier l'enfant, ou font pile style avec. But moi je fais comme ça because but this one is not bad. So a little loose, guys. Mba serré. So I'm keeping it comme ça parce que mba serré. The reason why I hold it like that is because I didn't tie it up at the back. Not really. I didn't tie it too much. But this is one. Fourth, that's the quatrième bikini. It's really simple. It's nothing much, okay? So this bikini comes with 3 pieces. Bikinis are gonna make 3 pieces. Okay, you can decide if you want to wear with this little shirt. Okay, I say 3 pieces, you know. Fix it up a little bit so it could get comfortable. I say 3e now. C'est 4e now. Ok, ou ka mette la belle, souple. Sou pas choisi, ou ka mette sans costache. Ok? So, I like this one. It's not bad. It's really simple, you know? So, guys, this one, I kind of got to hold it because I don't want it to fall. And then my boobs, and I expose my own boobs. Okay? So, for my t-shirt, I ça pour pas tomber pour tete m'ba montrer, guys. So, ça c'est 5e. I think this is the 5th one. I think I kind of lost count, but I think this is the 5th one. So I say Kencia now, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna make this happen, you know, guys. But Noel, okay, Noel. What did you like it to be? So this is the 6th one, I believe. I like this one. I think this one is my favorite. Ça c'est 6e nan et je pense que ça c'est bikini préféré, okay? Sorry. I'm so sorry. Ça c'est bikini préféré, guys, you see? Sorry. You can attach it, you can buy shotete, you can unzip it, or you can zip it. This one, I think it goes on the hair. I don't know. Ma kote sa ale. Si c'est dans cheveux ou ça son masqué. I'm not sure. This is supposed to be my favorite bikini, but I'm not really good at styling bikinis. So I did it how I could. Okay, ça c'est bikini préféré Kem te wè nan photo wa, kem te vraiment remen nice, okay? So ça son code ou ka mari jon ou vle, style ou vle. Ok, moi just mari le comme ça. Parce que m'pa vraiment son monde qui remen like qui compte, pas remen non qui compte comment puis buy still la bikini, you know? Okay guys, so this is it. This is the last one. Ça c'est dernier, okay? The last bikini. You know, I always gotta save the best for the last. I think this is the best. But looking at it right now, I think the other one was the best. Like, really. But here, okay? You guys see it? Okay. Guys, I am done. So now it's up to you to pick and choose which bikini that's nice and that goes with me. Okay? So guys, we're finished. Okay, excited in the video. Kounya say même kounya ki pa choisi ki bikini ki pi belle ki nan sens nou ki nou remen ki préféré nou. Okay, et ki à la même tout, of course. Okay guys, so let's end this video. It's K to the E to the N to the C to the I to the A. So to be I'm te volé no YouTube the twins. You guys watch the Johnson twins? Oh my god, I love them so much. So that's how I got my music. I copied them. Okay guys, but yeah, so it's K to the E to the N to the C to the I to the A. Kencia, okay? So probably you know ça. So m'a dit tout moun merci à tout moun qui prend temps yo qui participe dans cette vidéo ça. So moun qui est arrivé dans fin, m'a dit merci en pile. You know guys, moi mais nous et on connaît nous remen tout. Okay? So those of you that watched the full video and reached to the end of this video, I would like to say thank you so much. Thank you. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. And please continue to support me and continue to share my link, you know, subscribe, comment, of course, comment. You guys gotta comment, and also like and share. Okay, so probably if like et commentaire, commentaire vraiment important pour moi parce que faut on compte ça dans tête nous de qui ça n'a passé, est-ce que nous remet, est-ce que ça n'a pas bien fait. Okay, so guys, please, I have a new video that's coming up, so don't forget the most important thing that I want you guys to do after you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn your notification on. Okay, mettez notification on pour pas jamais perdre vidéo, so you guys don't ever lose my video. Okay, so I have a new video coming up, so guys, I hope you guys love this one and rate me. Not rape, rate. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And also, don't forget, be safe. It's still COVID outside, okay? So guys, so be safe. Continue to stay 6 feet apart. Love you all. Oh, I'm also gonna put the link down for the bikini if I find all of them. Okay, I'm gonna put it down in my description so you guys can buy, you know, support. Okay guys, so thank you so much. Have a blessing life moment, however you like to call it. But thank you guys. Thank you guys. What is wrong with me? But don't forget, it's